She's right.
Yeah, so you got a phone. Cause right away them start to show the love already. Cause them don't need to know if you have a phone, but them send a phone for you. So at least people still can get contact to you. And that's a Samsung Galaxy. Wow. What is it? Blessings. And also a kettle.
Wow.
For boy, I live there.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
That's really for me to make a
Yo, all of it.
But I see.
Yeah, man, one of them get leaked. Let me tell you, boy. That's like low. Where you can't do, man? Find out how to fix it.
Mason, pick up yourself, you know.
You know, family, the thing, you know, the yard is style, you know, so we need over yard, you know, big man. A real big man, they walk on the throat, don't know what all the things said.
True.
Yo, one love, one heart,
Yeah, man.
every time.
Love the straight, man, every time, man. You see me? Love the word,
Yeah,
man.
the style.
Yeah. Love the style. Nah, lie. Yeah, Carl. Kind of straight positive with you, you know. You see me, I say.
Yes, I did.
Because the father got say yes, and no matter what nobody else say, and nobody cares, you know.
Family thing. Liquor, as the mayor.
Yeah.
Good beer.
No, man,
Yeah.
But father God say yes, man. Nobody else can say no. So no matter what them come with them negative.
When Father God said yes, nobody can say no. Talk about it, Maris, make it to your niece.
Yeah, man, say something about me.
And just talk, man.
Yeah, man, I say something.
Oh, some food.
No, man, I'm food already, man.
Okay.
Rice, set and some meat. Rice, I'm going to deal with.
Yeah.
Look at after I'm just dealing with the meat and the butter deal. Mackerel. Urine, so that one talk about. No, man, nobody over the world has seen that.
Nobody has seen it.
Yeah, man. I said, what did you think, yard style, man?
Eh?
Yeah.
Hey, say.
Man, I'm cold up with this, please. I see you, man. We have it. Cool up a room.
I make it chop off.
First seat and thing that I go up.
George, Kino,
Yeah, man.
I'm all time one.
one though.
Flash one.
Him no want it too soft. Where you feel it them then? Tell the man to put them there about the water.
Come on, where Phillips them? You see them? Where Phillips them?
They're going in a box there. Put them in a bucket there. Watch out. I know over there say you have to go. Yo, I want the fillet them.
The fillet
you know them, they look for food where they take up for. You like it? No, man, it's a wicked stuff. The food where they take up. Yeah, 1, 2, say no,
First sheet of zinc.
Yeah, the first sheet of zinc.
First
Finishing, you know? Yeah, so
Hey, lesbian
I
guy.
reach where we're supposed to reach. I reach where we're supposed to reach, you know?
Yeah.
So, final lap of the journey.
Right, I know.
Yeah.
Now we see we on the top
Make
right now.
things happen, you know?
Right. It's possible now.
Yeah.
To know the dream.
Everything becomes reality now.
Right, I know.
All the talk becomes a success. So,
Buy Celtics and ceiling
you
inside.
know? That we are dealing with right now.
No ceiling inside.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because the
This is it, you know?
Yeah, this is it. See it there? First sheet of zinc put up the engine, so you know, say I'm roof is secure.
Dirty girl.
Yo, bro, guy.
There again once more. As you can see, the work I continue.
Yeah.
Right now the man is start putting on the roofing. So you know, once roofing are gone, and you that closer to moving. You see me? So we have to give thanks to the Almighty and the people them who support you through this journey. You see me? All the support of them and the viewers them who watch and send out them blessings. So we also have a gift for you today. For our supporters see me watch the program from overseas and in Jamaica. And then team up this side, so they have a gift for you as well too. Yeah, so then bring a kettle and a phone for you.
She's right.
Yeah, so you got a phone. Cause right away them start to show the love already. Cause them don't need to know if you have a phone, but them send a phone for you. So at least people still can get contact to you. And that's a Samsung Galaxy. Wow. What is it? Blessings. And also a kettle.
Wow.
For boy, I live there. And you play, see the fans. So, much respect. You want to introduce yourself to the program? Simone. Yeah. So this is Simone from Jamaica, obviously, Portmore. And she also watch the program. And she really touched by what she see and everything. So this time so she want to come give a proper contribution.
You see me? You have to offer respect to blessings and person overseas. Only for love. Yeah, I know yourself.
Yeah, I don't know what she say. Nobody must stay here, you want boy, a little tea and little things. So.
Yeah, come need one of them at the brother, you see me?
Yeah.
And the phone and also, because the phone is 200. So.
Yeah.
Them I'm really respect for it and really appreciate it.
You see that people really reach
Nice
out.
phone.
So Simone, all you for respect, manners and blessings, yeah? And give thanks for that. You know, continue watching.
I will.
Continue support, you know. Because all the way at Portmore shall come from and the sun, you know that you know the journey. Reach all the way in TrenchTown, you know, to give her a blessing. So you have to really give thanks.
What if I love and respect? Everyone is in it. Yeah, what if I blessings?
Yeah. So Simone, big up yourself again once more, you see me, and thank you for that. You see me, because it's really a touching moment for you really reach out to him, you know, and that's good. And Jim, tell us the love is out there for you.
Full and love God, man.
You see me,
Feel the energy, man. You see it.
Yeah, so true, man.
Love the fight, you see me, brother?
Yeah. So I go up on the road and come back as well to feel.
Okay.
Yeah. So I go come back and work at the mother go and work. So by the time I come back, everything good. Then garden in the kitchen and go and cook same me for the man then. So you know film style already.
Yeah.
So so come back to them and money. So give up to the support of them.
And to everyone again, only for love and respect, you see me?
Yeah.
Everybody, you play a part. Want to tell them only for love, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, only for respect.
Simone, thanks for the journey.
No problem.
Yeah, can't thank you enough. You see,
Anytime.
you have to respect everybody, you know?
Yeah.
Ginger, you can't catch gas now, you know? You have to check it. You see,
We make us stuff them too.
Oh, and you also have groceries, so they bring the grocery as well to Ginger. So you see, support them.
And ensure.
Ensure. So they ensure to make sure everything is secure.
Right, right.
You see that, Ginger?
Alright, so take care.
Alright, so.
Alright,
Nice to meet you.
Call me.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Alright.
Then blessings. Alright, so we also have a donation from Mama Shirley.
Yeah.
From the United States. Shown known as Mama Shirley. $10,000 from Mama Shirley from the United States. Yeah, so she will contribute that towards the work we're going, material and such. Yeah.
So to Mama Shirley, only for love and respect, man. You see me give thanks a lot for it, you know me? Yeah, only for blessings and honor, you see me? Yeah, because can't help contribute and do some things, you know what I say? Yeah, so only for respect, man. You see me? Yeah, give thanks.
Give thanks, blessings, Mama Shirley. Big up yourself for that. Only for respect, Mama Shirley.
Yeah,
Only for
everyone,
respect.
to everybody. You see me? Yeah, give thanks and blessings.
Then give thanks. Yeah. Big up yourself, Ginger.
One brother, man, respect, man. You see me?
Yeah, so Prince, you're there. Where go on, Prince?
There, Kino.
Alright, though.
So far, you know?
Yeah. So you cope and thing, though?
Yeah.
You eat already?
Yeah, we eat already.
Oh, who cook?
Buy food.
You buy food? Oh, with the money where you get what there? As I say, man, people them are going to try to contribute to you, you see me? Because you got to get someone to buy a bed and everything like that, you see me? So, why you just go and try to hold it same way? You see me? So, we want to try to find out your condition and the problem, you see me? So, some people are out when they really want to know, so they can try to contribute to as well to with medication. You see me? But the only way you really know, you have to go to the doctor though. To know the real problem. You have to go to the doctor. Because them tell you, yeah? And I say, you see, I'm stage where I can't really do that.
You know, it's kind of slow and
it's slow in a way.
Yeah.
What the doctor tell you why your problem? Doctor ever tell you that? And tell you?
I'm tell you about differently. You have a little nerve, you have a nerves problem. That's the reason, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of troubled. So I go see my shit that shit. Yeah, I have a nerves problem. But if I feel like I can get better still, I just help me want and I just want somebody can send him to the doctor certain way for them treat him and find out what really happened to him if his nerves are shaky. You understand?
So that's the
and
only...
eat certain things where him feel eat and take and drink.
So the body
and control his nerves.
Yeah. So that's the only thing where you really know about just a nerves thing.
Yeah, cause enough times see them joking me, ask them really what happened to him, them saying I have a nerves problem, you see him. You kinda sick more time nerves will go bad and eventually you see him. Feel him get sick out in all Korean things.
So when him get the joke here, him always come on liquor?
Yeah man, him get him injection, him come on good, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, him come on good and talk to you good and them so.
Because same type of sickness have a name and choose and they never tell you what type of name it have.
No,
that's the thing, you know.
Tell me the name, because I never really go into too much details, you understand? With them like that. I don't know how strong a brush it. Yeah?
Because him have a shaking like Parkinson. You see me, like a Parkinson. Yeah. And that, and then I say that cream, you see me?
Yeah, I regular more time things and feel some movements now outside, I say, you see me?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, when I see people shake, when time say that I run and go up and so. So I feel like a little knocking up on them side of them head.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I say I'm nervous like that. Now what really happened in this, but something wrong is there, see? And that's why I keep on shaking, so.
Yeah. Because you can see it on him and him always have that little look here. You see me? Him always have that shape, you see me? Because now you can see him under that shape right now after they are talking to you. You see me? So, the best thing we have to do is like, you have to go to doctor.
Yes, you know the full angel. You have to go find and get him filed to know a medical certain thing about it. So you know what really happened to him and what he can use to treat him, you understand? So his nerves can build back and him can come back normally. You see him?
Yeah.
You have to them now come in and...
When them come?
You're supposed to see now a month and them come.
Yeah, maybe them gonna come like the 27th now, so. Almost like the last of the month them come see. Sometimes you come like in a middle of the month, you see?
Yeah. So Prince, so how old are you now? Yeah, how much now?
I'm 30 years.
38. Young youth, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Young youth. And you say a couple of years now this happened to him? How long now this start? Ginger?
A couple years well, man. I got about, I exactly remember when, but a whole heap of years now, him sick away.
Well, like what, 5, 6, 7, 8 years?
No man, more than that.
More
man.
than that?
I think more from 4 to 7 to 8 to 9. One of them part there, one of them broccoli, them kind of get sick. One them time, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
A long time that man.
Good while now.
Good while. And it's been like this, it's not change. You never like get sober, nothing like that.
I just certain doctor you want and certain things you want to take so you can get better. Certain doctor we can help him, we know about nerves, you understand? And that's what I take care of him and him come back with.
So you know that will cost money because remember you have to pay for the doctor.
Yeah, I
you have to pay for each test. What you going to do is the answer and result. So it's like really need a little money for going there with him. You know what I'm saying? Because you have to get somebody to go there with him.
Yeah.
But we'd have to need that, yeah, so we'd have to need the funds. You see me? So we can bring a doctor and see what kind of medication they might require on a daily basis. Because you know that you once a month you get the joke.
Yeah.
You see me? You know that will cost as well too for the medication they want to get. So as I say, the people them reach out so we can try to get him condition up and running.
Yeah, I want to know what happened to him. Nerves problem, him always a shake so. As every day I'm shaking up.
Yeah, so I don't see it, man.
Every day now, every day passing up.
And in the shake.
Every day I'm shake. One more time I ask him how he feel, you know? And I'm supposed to jerk every second. So I wonder how he feels shaking every second. So.
How you feel, Prince? Like, how you feel inside? How do you feel like?
Feel away, man.
You feel away? So how you feel? You feel happiness?
Feel weak.
Feel weak?
Yeah.
Oh, like what, you got drop down or something? You feel like you got drop? See him there got clock on now, don't I say?
I think they say brains kind of slow, you understand?
Yeah.
Brains kind of slow, but also...
But you say you just eat a while ago though?
Them shapes and get jaws out certainly and feel cool.
Yeah, you get dizzy and then look at thing there, like you got blackout, like you got faint. No, you just shake. Yeah, you can see it come shake worse. Make you eat.
When we start to eat food, we don't start to eat food.
Oh, when you shake.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I never want to worry about food for you, see?
Yeah.
That's how it is. Worry about food and it.
Yeah, well. You know, say that I'm going to need medical care. I own way, you see me? If never need medical care, please.
Check by my swap.
Yeah. So financial will be the problem, isn't it? So we have to get the support how we can get free, you know?
Yeah.
As I say, we try to see if we can sort out the place as well to say, you see me, we try all these things. Yeah, because we beg the people them to support you. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, because you're really a friend in need. No joke about it. Because right now, I'm just there, so I'm not be a shake, I'm not shake, see me, dog. It doesn't feel that way, you see me?
No, sorry, man. I was just telling you, sir. I said, go stay, but more time come home and feel that way too, brother. I see him shake every time.
Yeah.
More time tell him something if try do it, try calm it down. Him now using brains too much to try and do it, because your brains can control certain things, you know.
Yeah.
That should not really, leave it too much more time to try. More time to try use it, put exercise out and them something, you see. And see that you can build back in this stem cell. But more time just leave, I just keep shake.
You don't get no kids yet? You don't get no kids yet? So we can go and film Ginger, you see me? So
yeah, man, cool, man, a real thing, brother.
All the people reach out to you, you see me, and so we can go on.
Yeah.
Because you really need the help.
Real thing.
Yeah, man. Now go on with the faith, see me, your prince. And let's try to stay positive, even though as I say, condition we might live in is kind of hard, you see me say, but if you can just try and follow Ginger footstep, guys, what Ginger stay, the morning we get ready.
Buy food.
You buy food?
Yeah, every day I buy food.
Every day you buy food? Good. That's true, as I say, I always have to eat. So at night time when you're in your house, light in your house? You just sleep in the darkness?
Sleep in the darkness.
And you see the quietness in them place, the Ginger at night time.
I'm tell you the next thing too, stream down a current in there. You don't have nothing to watch, them things them just in there by himself every day, night.
Yeah.
So he just lonely, he just in there by himself, you understand?
Yeah.
So eventually he don't have nothing to watch for keep his mind steady or laugh or he can watch some TV or one show and say his mind settle, you know? He don't really have no life, he just there in a little place alone by himself and he just lay down and just.
Yeah, so you know him steer out there.
Just.
Father God, man, bigger, you know? Watch over. Ask for the guidance and the blessing. That happens still, isn't it? That happens. No, sure. You soon get food now because they'll carry them and cook, you see me? So food soon ready, so you get food soon, yeah? Alright then, yeah? Liquor. Yeah, me that one say doctor them. Or when them come end of month.
Good in a month them come.
Yeah, because me that one ask them the problem. So we can have a name of your condition we have.
Never tell them.
Yeah.
My bro.
Or if you don't get to see me well, more if you're there, you can ask them. But tell me when time them come. Yeah, so.
I don't know when them come. We know say in a month they're supposed to happen.
Okay. Hopefully I see them. Yeah, hopefully I see them. So you can eat your food now like how you have get food now, so you can go and eat your food. Yeah. You still a shake, see me. But yeah, but I don't want to see them still to hear what the problem. So we can try and find out the condition, how we can get it sorted out. Then go and eat your food, yeah? And I'm going to eat some food too as well too. Some soup come back, right? Yeah.
Come on.
Ready? Come on. Go up there and stop. Yeah? Go up there. I'm ready. Make a push up. Yo, man, for the thing come here. So, man, for the thing come here. Yeah. Hola. Cool up, right? Yeah. Alright, catch a ball there. Yeah.
Me, so man, you got a bag of things, man.
Watch me, I'm getting out of space.
Bag of things, yeah.
Thing off the metric, you know.
Trust.
Off the metric, the thing I'll make it up, you know.
Yeah.
Don't do that up, you know.
It's fucking up there.
We haven't done long time. You don't know off the metric, the thing I'll do.
Yeah, right.
To the world, we're saying up, people. Straight up. To the world.
Send out the love to the world.
Ready? Yeah, go. Watch that. Watch me now. Yeah, come on. This one. That's it. Alright.
Who better get the second attack?
Go on.
Ready? Go on. Who better get the second attack?
Me a go there. There, bunny.
That's all. Alright, that's all. Fire. Ready? Yeah. Darling, start me again. See how you put it here, so? Yeah. One more than the other road. We sure? No, man, I don't want to test the man. Go back. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.